boys and girls. Today we are going to segment some words by using sound boxes. We're going to look at the pictures to figure out which words we will be spelling. Look at this picture. This is a picture of a dog. Sound out the word dog with me. Ready? D-O-G. Dog. What's that first sound you hear? D. What letter makes the D sound? D. When we make a D, we make a C, and then a stick. What's the middle sound you hear? Ah. What letter makes the ah sound? O. And listen for that last sound. D-O-G. What sound do you hear? G. What letter makes the G sound? G. Okay, let's sound out this word together. Ready? D-O-G. Dog. This word is dog. All right, look at this picture. This is a picture of a cat. Sound out the word cat with me. K-A-T. Cat. What is the first sound you hear in the word cat? K. What letter makes the K sound? It's a C. Listen for the middle sound. Cat. What sound do you hear in the middle? Ah. What letter makes the ah sound? A makes the ah sound. And what is the last sound you hear in the word cat? T. What letter makes the T sound? T. Sound out this word with me. Ready? K-A-T. Cat. This word is cat. Let's look at this picture. This is a picture of a cup. Sound out the word cup with me. Ready? K-A-P. Cup. What is the first sound you hear? K. What letter makes the K sound? C. What's the middle sound you hear in the word cup? What letter makes the sound? U. What is the last sound you hear in the word cup? P. What letter makes the P sound? P. Let's sound this word out again. Ready? K-A-P. Cup. All right, this one's going to get a little bit harder. This is a picture of a ship. Sound out the word ship with me. Ready? Sh-I-P. Ship. What's the first sound you hear in the word ship? Sh. What letters make the sound sh? S, H. What's the middle sound you hear in the word ship? I. What letter makes the I sound? I. It's a short I sound. And listen for the last sound you hear in the word ship. P. What letter makes the P sound? P. Sound this word out with me. Ready? Sh-I-P. Ship. Okay, the next word we are going to do is the word cash. Cash. Sound out the word cash with me. Ready? K-A-sh. Cash. What's the first sound you hear in the word cash? K. What letter makes the K sound? C. What's the middle sound you hear in the word cash? Ah. What letter makes the ah sound? A. What is the last sound you hear in the word cash? Shh. What letters make the sh sound? SH. Sound this word out with me. Ready? K-a-sh. Cash. This is a picture of a pig. Sound out the word pig with me. Ready? P-ig. Pig. What's the first sound you hear in the word pig? P. What letter makes the P sound? P. What's the middle sound you hear in the word pig? I. What letter makes the I sound? I. What's the last sound you hear in the word pig? G. What letter makes the G sound? G. Sound this word out with me. P-I-G. Pig. This word is pig. Let's look at the next picture. This time, we are going to read some words that have 4 sounds in them. This is a picture of a slug. Sound out the word slug with me. S-l-u-g. Slug. What's the first sound you hear in the word slug? S. What letter makes the S sound? S. What's the second sound you hear in the word slug? Ul. What letter makes the ul sound? L. What's the third sound you hear in the word slug? What letter makes the sound? U. And what is the last sound you hear in the word slug? G. What letter makes the G sound? G. Sound this word out with me. Ready? S-l-u-g. Slug. Now look at this word. This picture is a picture of the word send. Sound out the word send with me. Ready? S-e-n-d. Send. What's the first sound you hear in the word send? S. What letter makes the S sound? S. What's the second sound you hear in the word send? E. What letter makes the E sound? E. What's the third sound you hear in the word send? N. What letter makes the N sound? N. And what is the last sound you hear in the word send? D. What letter makes the D sound? D. Make a C, then a stick. Now sound out this word with me. Ready? S-e-n-d. Send. This word is send. This is a picture of the word wind. Sound out the word wind with me. W-I-N-D. Wind. What's the first sound you hear in the word wind? W. What letter makes the W sound? W. What's the second sound you hear in the word wind? I. What letter makes the I sound? I. What's the third sound you hear in the word wind? N. What letter makes the N sound? N. And what is the last sound you hear in the word wind? D. What letter makes the D sound? D. Make a C and a stick, and that's a D. Now sound this word out with me. W-I-N-D. Wind. Let's do one more. This is a picture of a plum. Sound out the word plum with me. P-O-M. Plum. What's the first sound you hear in the word plum? P. What letter makes the P sound? P. What's the second sound you hear in the word plum? O. What letter makes the O sound? L. What's the third sound you hear in the word plum? What letter makes the sound? U. And what is the last sound you hear in the word plum? What letter makes the sound? M. Sound this word out with me. Ready? P-O-M. Plum. This word is plum.